Pertussis. In this video, we will see about epidemiology, pathogenesis, laboratory diagnosis and treatment of Portella pertussis. Last video, morphology, virulence factor, over. Epidemiology. This organism normally found in nasopharyngeal region in infected people. This organism mainly presented in nasopharyngeal region of infected people. It transmitted by traplet nuclei. Previously have high incidence seen below 1 year. Nowadays no incident because of vaccination. This one nowadays seen in adult because this adult act as a carrier because already have immunity against this organism. Epidemiology. This organism normally presented in nasopharyngeal region of infected people. It is transmitted by traplet nuclei. Now no incidence because vaccination. Previously high incidence seen below 1 year infant. This one nowadays seen in adult because they act as a carrier. They already have immunity against this organism. Pathogenesis. Organism came human respiratory epithelium and attached with ciliated epithelium. Then it will secreted two different type of toxin, pertussis and tracheal toxin. This toxin destruct cell and reduce this signal, causes signal damage. So then it will enter to blood vessels, damage human tissue and suppress immune system. After attachment of ciliated epithelium, it can produce the cough. It will stimulate cough. So pathogenesis, organism came human respiratory epithelium and attached to the ciliated epithelium. Then only it will produce the cough. It will secreted pertussis and tracheal toxin. They destruct cell and signal damage. Then it will enter to blood vessels, damage human tissue and suppress our immune system. Then clinical features. Incubation period 7 to 10 days. After incubation period, this infection have 3 stages. First one is carietal stage, second one is paroxysmal test this stage, third one is convalescent stage. Clinical features. Incubation period 7 to 10 days. After this period, this infection have 3 stages. First one is catarrhal, paroxysmal and convalescent stage. First stage, carietal stage, 1 to 2 weeks. Here symptoms will occur: rhinorrhea, malaise, fever, sneezing, anorexia. First stage, catarrhal stage, it will produce malaise, fever, sneezing and anorexia. Second stage name is called as paroxysmal stage. Incubation period 2 to 4 weeks. It causes cough with cough, vomiting and leukocytosis. Second stage, incubation timing 2 to 4 weeks. It causes repetitive cough with cough, vomiting and leukocytosis. Third stage, convalescent stage. Timing 3 to 4 weeks or longer. It causes paroxysmal cough and development of secondary complication, pneumonia, seizure and encephalopathy. Third stage 3 to 4 weeks or longer. It causes paroxysmal cough, development of secondary complication. What are the complications? Pneumonia, seizure and encephalopathy. Then complication, if we are not taking treatment, children, it will produce pneumonia, seizure and encephalopathy. 1% death will occur. In adult, it will cause weight loss because of it will secreted interleukin 1 and 2. So it will induce weight and urinary incontinence, snarl and rib fracture from severe cough. In children, if we are not taking any treatment, it causes pneumonia, seizure and encephalopathy. In adult, it will causes weight loss, urinary problem and severe cough. Then laboratory diagnosis, we will collect specimen nasal swab but not using cotton swab. Cough plate only we are using. Diagnosis for Portella pertussis, we will collect a nasal swab, not using cotton swab. We are using cough plate. Then culturing special medium, we are using Portet Genco medium. It is otherwise called as region low medium. So Portella need a special medium. It containing special ingredients, nicotinamide, charcoal and salt. So special medium name is called as Portet Genco. It will produce a mercury trap pearl appearance colony. In this culture medium, it will produce a mercury trap pearl appearance colonies. Gram staining, it will produce gram negative Coccobacilli. Gram staining, gram negative Coccobacilli. Immunofluorescent technique, we will observe fluorescent antibody. Then rapid test, we are using PCR, polymerase chain reaction. Diagnosis, we are collecting nasal swab from cough plate. Culturing Portet Genco medium, it will produce a mercury trap pearl appearance colony. Staining gram negative Coccobacilli. Immunofluorescent antibody we will observe by using immunofluorescent technique. Then rapid test, we are using polymerase chain reaction. Treatment, erythromycin is drugs of choice. Preventive method, we will take vaccination is extremely effective. TTP vaccines, we will take treatment erythromycin for Portella pertussis. So in this video we saw that epidemiology of Portella, pathogenesis, how this organism came to human respiratory epithelium, then attached to the ciliated epithelium, then it will secrete a toxin, it will affect human tissue and suppress immune system also. Incubation period 7 to 10 days only. It have 3 stages: catarrhal stage, paroxysmal stage and convalescent stage. Then if not taking treatment, it will affect children. 1% death will cause, adult weight loss and urinary problem and severe cough. Then treatment, we are taking erythromycin.